Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, legends. How you doing? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing all right. I hope you're doing awesome this beautiful day, this awesome day, and this amazing day. Today is a special day. Welcome back to the Moez Show, number 57, and with your host, Moez Fawaz. And today, we're going to review a special product called Clixit. Actually, today is what? 27? 27 today. This came out yesterday, 26, and I was supposed to do the product on the 26th, and the review on the 25th or the 26th. I got busy as usual. Oh, by the way, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. We don't celebrate Christmas. Myself, I don't celebrate Christmas, but my wife does, and just wanted to tell you happy holidays, Merry Christmas, happy health, perfect health, Happy New Year coming, and it's gonna be a great year. Just remember that. Yeah, so beside that, we're gonna go back into the product Clixit. Clixit, back in summary, it's a script, HTML script that you can plug on your web page, whether it's web page, whether your site, whether it's blog, and then this script allows you to increase your traffic, to increase your clicks. That's why it's called Clixit. To increase your clicks on that website. For some reason, I do not know exactly how it works, but for some reason, it allows Google to show your results more. It allows people to see. It depends, of course, on your keyword. To see results from your website, from your page, from your blog, from your let's say an article you wrote, to see results from you more on Google. So basically that's it. So let's go check it out, and I'll also introduce you to the product itself. I will show you the bonus page that I created. That's mine. And I also introduce you to the web page. I will show you the sales page, and also I'm gonna show you the bonuses that you're gonna get. And I'm just gonna warn you. Like I said, I was supposed. Okay, come in. I'll show you. Come in. Okay, so you see here. This is Tuesday, December. Hold on, let me get a pen. Tuesday, December 29th. This is supposed to be December 26. No, 26? 26. 20, not 26, sorry. The product launch was 26, so I give you until 27. But I actually changed the date here, December 29, because I'm late on launching the product. Okay, so let's go back without further ado, without wasting time. Let's check it out. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna check out the bonus page first, and that's my bonus page. I'll show you how to get 100 plus free buyers leads per day on complete automation without ever having to post anywhere, or use any useless traffic apps. Okay, so you can check out the details by yourself. I'm gonna also check out I'm gonna show you the details on the sales page also. But beside that, most important thing, of course, is the bonuses that I'm gonna give you, which is gonna be, like I said, expire on. Let me get this, and we're gonna get the yellow, which is gonna expire on. Okay, did the boo boo here? Okay, which is gonna expire on Tuesday, December 29. Okay, so let's delete that. Let's click this, and let's continue on. So the first bonus right here. The first bonus right here is the 10K a month online. So basically, the 10K is learn exactly how I make $10,000 a month, sending simple emails. Look over my shoulder as I show you everything inside my business, see my results, and learn what you need to replicate them, and much more. Okay, so a value of such and such, and 10K month case study by the one and only Moez Fawaz, King of Marketing. Okay, so bonus number 2. Let's check out bonus number 2 right here. Commission Blueprint. Commission Blueprint is a super affiliate blueprint that generates over $500,000 into a month. How to start from scratch with no connection or product and become super affiliate in 2018 and beyond. We're in 2021 almost, and more. Value of 97, and that's Commission Blueprint right here. Let's delete all that so you can see Commission Blueprint, King of Marketing, Moez Fawaz. Okay, so that's it. That's all for now. Let's delete all that. Let's click this, continue on. Bonus number 3. Oh, Okay, let's go. Okay, so bonus number 3 is how to explore the YouTube channel. How Brandon Mace is one of my my mentor, Brandon Mace and John Armstrong. I learned a lot from them, and they are the best in the market right here, right now. Okay, so they produce perfect products, products that help us marketers online, and they also give you a lot of training to supply you with knowledge to make the best out of the product and to make the best out of your online business. Okay, so without okay, let's stop marketing here. Let me explain how to let's go into back teaching. How Brandon Mace have grown his channel to over 37,000 subscribers. Discover the secrets of building up YouTube channel fast. Learn how to find the best keywords and how to rank your videos quickly and easily, and much more. Okay, so that's it. Let's continue on. Okay, so bonus number 4. Let's go click here. Bonus number 4, Bing Ads Mastery Training. Bing Ads Mastery, generate tons of targeted traffic with Bing. Bing, as you know, is the alternative of the Google Ads. Explore the secrets of all top marketers are using to exploit Bing's. Step-by-step video training you can take and run with today, and much more. Okay, so let's delete this. Let's continue on. That's Bing Ads right here by the King of Marketing, of course, Moez Fawaz. Okay, got it? Get it? Good. Okay, so let's continue on. Let's delete all that. Okay, so bonus number 5, and the last bonus. I didn't have time to create special bonuses. I'm just gonna give you the bonuses that I got like available for me right now, because I was doing this fast, and I didn't have the time because of the holidays and all that. So bonus number 5 and the last bonus is gonna be a super. It's a bonus library. Get a super Surefire Wealth silver level pass with hundreds of products to download and offers as bonuses in your promotions. So basically, this is a library. Basically, where is the garbage? Okay, so basically, this is a library of products that you can select from. A bonus library that you can select from to if you're promoting products, to select a bonus from here and supply your clients and your customers with these bonuses, like I'm doing here. Okay, so basically, this is not the bonuses that you're gonna get, but they're gonna allow you to select the bonuses that you're gonna get from their library, and then allow you as a seller to promote these bonuses to the buyers of your affiliate product or affiliate service that you sell. Okay, so that's bonus number 5, and also the seller himself, he also provide you with a lot of bonuses, which I'm gonna show you right now. Sorry about that. Okay, so basically, when you buy the product, you're gonna see here, like this is my product that I bought, where the vendor is, all that details, the price, and then you're gonna get access your purchase and access your affiliate bonus. All these bonuses, you're gonna find it in where you can, when you click that access affiliate bonus right here. All these bonuses, you're gonna receive this on that when you click that button when you purchase the product through my link. Okay, all these orange looking buttons, you can click on it and you're gonna arrive to the sales page, which is right here, and then from there you can click to buy the product, and then from there you can get the bonuses right here. But most important, you're gonna get it through my link. Okay, that's me right here, beautiful person right here. Okay, the marvelous. Okay, so let's go check out this without further ado, without wasting any time. So this is okay, let me show you something. Yeah, here we go. That's what I wanted to show you. So basically, the front end is around $11.95, and a downsell of $8.95. $8.95, I think that's where you gonna get the $3 discount from the product. Okay, so if you move your mouse right here, you try to exit, it's gonna give you here you go, $3 off discount. So basically, the original price is $11.95. With the $3 discount, you're gonna get it for $8.95. So you have a chance to get it for $8.95 if you move your mouse around. Okay, so you can check out. You can check out the video by yourself. How would you like to get double, even triple your clicks from any page from just adding a little copy paste code without even work? Yes, this even works in the load capturing page. So basically, you can add it to your landing page, you can add it to your blog, you can add it to your website itself. Okay, so Let's go click, get this, let's go to black. Okay, so beginner friendly, 100% copy paste, set up in less than 2 minutes, on your or your money back. Get 2x or more your clicks right off the bat from any web page, even from your lead capturing page, which is the landing page or lead capturing page, if you want to call it. Okay, you want to multiply clicks to make more sales from your cold and warm clicks. You want to live the laptop lifestyle that you know you deserve, and world-class support. Okay, so that's it. That's all. Let's click here. Let's continue on. Like I said, it's $11.95. You will move your mouse. You're gonna get this again, $3 off, which you're gonna get it for $8.95. That's the downsell right here. Okay, same as I explained it on my page, on my bonus page. But there is a five bonus that he's gonna give you with the product that you're purchasing here. Hold on, let me show you. I think each product, each upsell, he's gonna give you a bonus by itself. Okay, so yeah, here. Okay, here we go. Let's make it smaller so I can get all that in one page, maybe. Okay, so let's go. Let's select this. Okay, so bonus number 1, how to set up and use Clixit in less than 2 minutes. So basically tutorial videos, that's in bonus number 1. Bonus number 2, the fastest way to make money as soon as today. That's a bonus tutorial to teach you how to make money with Clixit as soon as today. The purpose of this method is to get people to click and buy what you are promoting. Figure out what, I figured you would like to know what type of offers work best and how they could be making money as soon, you could be making money as soon as possible, as soon as today, by using the Clixit method and system. Okay, so let's delete this. Let's continue on. So bonus number 2, so this is bonus number 3. Bonus number 3, right here, how to get 10x more free click traffic, free daily traffic. Details right here. How I showed you, I told me the same thing. Everyone I showed this told me the same thing. Michelle. This is really sneaky and smart, and I must agree, I really smart. Okay, so basically this is details about the product. You can check it out here. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so bonus number 4 is gonna be here, guaranteed affiliate approval if you ever you want to promote Clixit. So whenever you want to promote Clixit, he's gonna give you a guaranteed approval to promote Clixit in whenever you want. Okay, if you're trying to make money out of Brexit, the England Brexit, the European Brexit. Okay, so sorry about that. Okay, so bonus number 5, the last bonus, it's gonna be promotional swipes if you ever want to promote Clixit. Okay, so basically he's gonna give you Clixit a chance to promote Clixit as an affiliate, and he's gonna give you the swipes, the email swipes to get sales from Clixit itself. Okay, so these are the bonuses that come with the original Clixit itself. I'm gonna show you also. So here the same thing. Yeah, less than 2 minutes. Yeah, the same bonuses. Okay, and then there is also bonuses that he's giving you. Actually, he's I see it here. Hold on. Yeah, this is the page. Hold on. Let's make it bigger. Okay, so yeah, here we go. Okay, so basically, I'll go show you here first. Okay, so sorry about that. Okay, so full the front end is Clixit front end, five plus bonuses, $11.95, $8.95. Okay, set up your passive. You can check out the details right here. And then OTO number 1, full throttle profits, $27, and a downsell of $17 plus 4 bonuses. Okay, that's for. Okay, let's delete this. Let's click here. 4 bonuses. I don't think this is it. Okay, so basically 5 bonuses, not 4 bonuses. 5 bonuses, which are. Hold on. Okay, so the unique click multiply software, 6 effective way to use clicks on multiple pages, 50 attractive editable built-in template, done for you solo friendly swipes, 6 extra free buyers traffic method, 1 free one-on-one live call with Michael Sorias. I think that's how he pronounced his last name. Okay, so basically these are 5 bonuses that you're gonna get when you get the OTO number 2, Clicks Booster. Okay, So that's it. That's it. Clicks booster. Okay. So basically, we're gonna go here. Okay. So that's no. Actually, this is the clicks. Okay. My bad. Clicks booster. That's number 2. The clicks booster is 37 and 27. So $37 and a downsell of $27 with 5 bonuses. Okay. Full throttle is right here. Yeah, that's the one. Okay. So full throttle profit is 27 from plus 4 bonuses. Might be. That's it. That's what I meant in the beginning. So basically, 15 minutes per day or less, get 100 fresh leads, 100 plus fresh leads, no content to create, no posting on social media, no useless traffic apps. Your clients need a system that will allow them to pay and never pay for traffic again. Your clients want to generate enough daily leads to live the laptop traffic, the laptop lifestyle. Okay, so that's number 2. Okay, the method and system is a really cool way to get 100 plus free leads. Okay, so that's it. Let's delete this. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so that's full throttle, 27 and a downsell of 17. OTO number 2, clicks booster, 37 and 27 downsell. Okay, upsell number 3, Facebook free traffic loophole, which is right here. Yeah, Facebook loophole traffic. Okay, that's a loophole that will allow you. Legal Facebook loophole will bring your clients unlimited free traffic without ever getting jailed, suspended, or banned. Okay, so let's click this, and that's that's Facebook. That's $47. Okay, there you go. And number 4, Clixit commission boost. It's $97 plus free bonuses. So this is here, right here. Yeah, right here. It's Clixit boost. There we go. Clicks boost plus 97 plus free bonuses, which is okay. Your clients and students can take and upgrade 100% commission throughout the entire sales. Okay, let's delete this. Let's get out of here. Okay, so additionally get Clixit affiliate link cloned from our optimized press 3.0, fully branded under your name and picture, and no extra cost plus free hosting. Get 10 promotional swipes you can use anywhere you want. That's it. That's all. Okay, that's it. So you get 4 OTOs for the price of 1. For the price of $11.95. So basically, you're gonna get $11.95, even $8.95 with the downsell. You can get my bonuses with the $8.95, and then OTO number 1, OTO number 2, OTO number 3, OTO number 4 with the same prices and the downsell. Okay, that's it. That's all for today. Thank you again for hanging out with me. Thank you again for being with the Moez Show. Number what? 57. Thank you again for being with me, Moez Fawaz. Happy holidays again. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year if I don't see you by then. I'm sure I'm gonna see you. There's a few more products that I'm gonna review in the next few days. You will see me, and there is promise. There's gonna be a good a bunch of videos coming up teaching you how to make money. Value videos that will teach you how to make money online, freestyle with free traffic, and that's coming up. I'm gonna make sure that I upload it and I upload it and release it hopefully before the new year, which is not guaranteed, but if not, it's gonna be in the first week of 2021. Thank you again for hanging out with me, Moez Fawaz. Thank you again for hanging out with the Moez Show. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button like a million times. And also, if you're interested in here, click on that orange looking button. You're gonna arrive to the sales page right here, like I showed you. You can save up $3 if you want with the downsell, and that's it. That's all. Oh, I forgot. Hold on. Oh, where is it? There we go. Thank you again. Have yourself a great day. Have yourself an awesome day. Have yourself a beautiful day. Amazing day. Be good, be awesome, be tremendous, and be the best version of your life today and every other day.